The first issue relates to legal compliance. We have to ensure that the training system complies with all state and federal laws. Some organizations have to report back to government entities the number of training hours that their employees complete and whether business outcomes like accidents or lawsuits were affected. For example, some states require all of their employees, whether they work in government offices or at public universities, to take ethics training or sexual harassment training each year. Educational institutions then have to report those numbers back to the state. In addition, some laws mandate a minimum number of hours that trainees must complete. Other mandates require trainees to participate in a certain number of classroom hours and a certain number of on-the-job training hours in order to receive their certificate.